where a hand strikes. What nuance of movement will trigger the pounding of a wall in the night? In the silence, she sits on the edge of the bed, listening. Will it erupt again? Will the neighbors now treading back and forth upstairs complain to the landlady? How can she love him through this attack? A reach to pull the blanket up, so many times pulled up to the chin, so many times the coda of the day, the gesture, sleep had overpowered her as they each fall from mutual caresses into private turmoil. But this one maneuver, this one night, bumps him in the nose, and he says the eye going blind, the coddled eye. How can he love her through this attack? Whispering, it is not her fault, as he slips away. He slams the door out of the bedroom and slams his hand on the wall outside. A scream with each slam beyond words, blind to her, blind to the apartment. He is where a hand strikes him senseless. Is it back home in childhood or later in the street? How can she love him through this attack? When he gets into bed hours later, his back to her signaling, don't dare to talk. And when the aloofness lingers through the morning, she wonders, how long will he be gone this time? Bless all the little girls sacrificed. They said they would only rape us, as if rape were different than death. Mary of the Nuer tribe, South Sudan. Sun shatters the sky. Fox slunk through holes in the wall last night. Fathers and sons slaughtered. A mother pinioned, teeth at the throat, watched her girl mauled. The first cry strangled, a frenzy of feasting. Never her girl, a woman, beyond survival. A mother carried off into the dark, feel of a gun in the vagina. A finger itches to pull a trigger. The first pink faint before it gathers and clots the sky.